Hello everyone. If you have two computers at home or work and both are connected to the same Wi-Fi network, it's super easy to send large files between them. In this video, I'll show you two simple ways to transfer files between two laptops running Windows 10 or 11. If you find this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and comment a heart. First method is the quickest and easiest way to transfer big files. First, go to the search bar in the bottom left corner of your screen and type Control Panel. Open the Control Panel. Click on Network and Internet. Then go to Network and Sharing Center. On the left-hand side, click on Change Advanced Sharing Settings. Now change the following settings. Under the Private section, turn on Network Discovery. Turn on File and Printer Sharing. Scroll down to the All Network section. Turn off Password Protected Sharing. Don't forget to click Save Changes. Now, open File Explorer. Go to the location where you want to create a shared folder. Right-click, hover over New, and then click Folder. Give the folder a name, something like Shared Folder. Now right-click the folder, hover over Give Access to, and click Specific People. In the drop-down menu, click the arrow and select Everyone. Press Add. Change the permission level from Read to Read/Write. Then click Share. Remember the folder name. You'll need it in the next step. Click Done. Now your folder is shared on the Wi-Fi network. Just move any files you want to share into this folder. On the second computer, open File Explorer. From the left sidebar, click on Network. You'll see the first computer. Click on it. Open the shared folder. You'll see all the files you added. Simply copy them and save them wherever you like on this computer. If you want to stop sharing the folder later, right-click the folder. Hover over Give Access to. Click Remove Access. Then press Stop Sharing. Second method is share files using Bluetooth and Wi-Fi nearby sharing. Before starting, make sure both computers are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. Go to the Start menu and open Settings. Go to System. Scroll to find Nearby Sharing or search for it directly. Go to Nearby Sharing Settings. Nearby Sharing is a Windows feature that lets you wirelessly share files, photos, and links with nearby devices using Bluetooth or Wi-Fi. Set Nearby Sharing to Everyone Nearby. Make sure the toggle is on. Go back to System, then open Shared Experiences. Make sure Nearby Sharing is on. It's set to Everyone Nearby. Scroll down and turn on Share Across Devices, and again select Everyone Nearby. To send a file, open File Explorer. Navigate to the folder where your file is. Select the files you want to send. Right-click and select Share. A list will pop up. Choose the other computer's name. Laptop computer on the second computer. A pop-up will appear asking if you want to accept the file. Click Save, and the file will be downloaded. If your files were sent successfully, don't forget to comment thank you down below. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe.